Hi there, Masiha and Dan here from Excel Academy. If you're watching this video, you are at Momentum Metropolitan Holdings, and we decided to shoot this short video to tell you a little bit about Excel Academy, our workshops, and how they can add value to you and your team. Since 2014, we've been running fun, interactive Excel workshops. We've got 3 workshop levels, starting with Excel 101, which looks at setting a good foundation, helping you to work smarter, and teaching you best practices. Our workbooks are designed in a very fun and colorful manner. And then we move on to Excel 202, which looks at data analysis, dashboards, and extracting business intelligence from your data. And finally, Excel 303 covers macros and VBA, automation, and bringing it all together. All of this is done in an interactive online platform. Isn't that right, Dan?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Em. So when I started the business in 2014, for the first few years, all of the training was done in the classroom. 8 hours typically, face-to-face, 8 hours per level. And over the last few years, what we've been doing is we've been experimenting and trying and testing different ways of incorporating the online learning into the model. Online on its own does not work very well for us. What we've done is we've combined the best of both worlds. And now what we've got is our unique gamified blended approach. We're really excited about it. It's working exceptionally well, and it works as follows. Step 1 is a 1-hour kickstart onboarding session. That's an opportunity for us to be in person and to have a conversation with delegates and line managers, to explain how everything works, to do a demo of the online platform, which includes videos, Excel exercises, quizzes, and assessments. Okay, also to an opportunity to explain how we provide virtual support via our unique Excel PEL method. Okay, keeping in close contact and providing progress tracking, leaderboards, and reporting on delegates' progress. We also talk about timeframes for successful completion, as well as generous incentives and rewards for timely completion of the training. We're very, very proud of this unique approach, and the engagement and success rates are very near to 100%. So we're very excited to do more work with you and your team, and to welcome you into an Excel workshop very, very soon.